Hi, I am Stella Obialo, bringing to you an interesting and educative program titled My School and I. What is it about My School and I? My School and I is an interesting and educative program specially designed to guide parents in choosing the right school for their child. What comes to mind when you're looking for a school for your child? What are those qualities you're looking for in a school? What choices do you consider before choosing a school for your child? Is it about the beautiful facilities, the swimming pool, basketball courts, or is it about the beautiful uniforms, sports wears, and some Friday wears? Is it about the quality of knowledge the school has to offer? Do you look at the learning environment your child will be in? Is it going to be friendly or is it going to be tension-filled? Is your child going to be experiencing different learning style from his or her teacher? Or is it a general class where every child is the same to the teacher? In this program, My School and I, you would come to understand some of the qualities and tips you need to know before enrolling your child into any school. In this program, we'll be showcasing facilities of various schools, classroom activities live and direct. We'll also have interviews with professionals in the educational world, school owners, teachers, students of various schools, and parents just like you. At the end, you would have a better understanding on how to choose the right school for your child. I am Stella Obialo. Keep watching My School.